Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, two founders just raised $3 million to build voice AI specifically for Africa and the Middle East, markets that every major AI company has been building for last, if at all. I'm Emily, your "the most underserved markets are often the biggest opportunities" person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast who just learned that enterprises in Africa and the Middle East process roughly 3 times the call volume of their Western counterparts. Everyone built for the smaller market first. Classic.
Textbook. So here's the problem AethexAI set out to solve. Voice AI tools like 11 Labs and Sierra were built for standard English in Western infrastructure, fast fiber, powerful GPUs, clear pronunciation. In Africa and the Middle East, you have local dialects, code switching between languages mid-sentence, unreliable network infrastructure, and completely different price points. One Egyptian call center tried automating calls with existing tools and rolled the whole system back because the results were so poor.
So founders Mariama Diallo, formerly Goldman Sachs, and Ayuluwa Odemuyiwa, formerly Meta and Caltech, built everything from scratch, their own small models called the Cora series, ranging from 300 million to 1.7 billion parameters, tiny compared to mainstream LLMs, specifically designed to cut latency at every step. They even shipped hard drives to African radio stations to collect local audio data and built a university student network to annotate it and pronounce local names correctly.
The results are already real. They're handling over 17,000 calls per day across use cases like debt collection, customer activation, and bank identity verification. And they onboard clients carefully, always starting with one use case rather than trying to automate everything at once. That practical, hands-on approach is exactly what markets ignored by big tech actually need.
The $3 million pre-seed round is led by 40X Ventures, with participation from Enza Capital and Dorm Room Fund, plus individual investors from Anthropic and Stanford faculty. The smart money is clearly betting the gaps the giants won't fill represent a massive market opening.
Building for the overlooked market isn't a consolation prize. It's often where the real opportunity lives. Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. The future of AI isn't one size fits all, and the founders who understand that will build the most meaningful products. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.